Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone keeps turning off automatically, it can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. This issue is typically related to auto lock feature, which puts your device to sleep after a certain period of inactivity. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through it. First, open the setting app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Next, you tap on auto lock. Select a longer time duration, such as 5 minutes or never, to prevent your iPhone from turning off automatically. Another step is to disable low power mode. Open the setting app, then scroll and tap on battery. Make sure low power mode is turned off. When enabled, low power mode can cause your iPhone to lock sooner to save battery life. Another step is to update your iPhone. Keep your iPhone up to date, ensure that it runs smoothly and help you fix any bugs. Go to the setting menu and tap on General. Next, you select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install it. The next step is to check for battery health issues. Sometimes a deteriorating battery can cause an iPhone to shut down unexpectedly. Go to Setting menu, then tap on Battery. Next, you tap on Battery Health and Charging. Check the maximum capacity and peak performance capacity. If your battery health is significantly degraded, consider replacing the battery. Another step is to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve minor software issues. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. After the device turns off, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. Another setting is to reset all settings. Open the setting app, then you go to General and scroll down and tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings. You then enter your passcode if prompted and confirm your choice. By following these steps, you can stop your iPhone from turning off automatically and ensure it stays on when you need it. Adjusting the auto lock setting, disabling low power mode, and keeping your software up to date are simple yet effective way to maintain control over your device behavior. If you continue to experience issues, checking your battery life or resetting your setting might provide a solution. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and share with your friends, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.